जो थोड़ा बहुत आपको क्लियर है, rest I'll make it clear. Whatever is clear to you, I was just practicing that how to write letter writing because लग रहा था कि बोर्ड भी कभी लिखा ही नहीं जाएगा. So I thought that देखूं लिख पाती है या नहीं, whether I still remember how to write on board or not. इतने दिन से बोर्ड पे लिखा नहीं था. So I was practicing to write on board and thank God that I was able to write. Then under letter writing, letters are of two types, that is formal letters and informal. In class 10th board examination, you are being asked formal letters only. Rare cases happen that when you are asked to write informal letters. So you should be more prepared with formal. You should be. Apeksha, what happened? Apeksha. Okay. So for class 10th, you should be ready with your formal letters as well as informal letters. But formal letters should be paid more attention. And,
Nothing, ma'am.
It's okay. When you are writing a letter, what happens? When you speak something, your letter should be in the nature of your conversation. जब आप कुछ सोच रहे हो, बोल रहे हो, conversation कर रहे हो, same thing it should be written in the letter. And when you are writing, just adopt a familiar style, common style. And whatever you want to say, when you are writing a letter, whatever you want to say it clearly, mention it briefly and precisely. It should not be too boring. Avoid boring remarks. Otherwise, no one will read your letter or no one will be attracted or no one will notice what you want to convey or what you want to write. And very important thing is that spelling. Correct spellings are equally desirable. When you are doing a letter, when you are writing a letter, spelling mistake should not be there. And you are again वही चीज़ फिर से मैं कहूँगी, letters should be short to the point and dignified. They should be written in a dignified manner. This is what is the basic instruction that I need that you should be given for your letter writing. And if we talk about the parts of a letter, first we will talk about the parts of a letter or the format of a letter. Format I will tell you afterward. First we will see that parts of a letter means letter की कितने parts होते हैं, what are the things that are included in letter, parts of a letter. Under parts of letter, the first thing is, सब आपको पता है, what is the first thing which we write? It is sender's name and उसके साथ क्या होता है? And address. Very good. Someone said address. Good. So first thing that we have to write is sender's name and address. It's a part of letter, not a format. I'm not giving you the format. Don't get confused with format. ये format नहीं है, मैं आपको केवल parts बता रही हूँ that what are the parts that are included in the letter writing. So first thing is your sender's address. Then next we write sender's address means as you are the person who is sending the letter, first you have to write the name and then your address. It is written on the top of the top on the left hand corner of the page. अब देखिए, अब फिर से मैं वही चीज बताऊंगी आपको. Nothing should be there in your right hand side. इस साइड कुछ भी नहीं होगा. पहले लोग इस साइड भी लिखते थे, यहाँ भी CBSE was accepting when you are writing something on the right hand side, but now everything has changed. Nothing should be written on the right hand side. You have to take everything on the left hand side. So first you have to write name and address at the top on the left hand side of the page. And if the address कंसिस्ट ऑफ सेवरल पार्ट, अगर इसकी जैसे हाउस नंबर दिस, कॉलोनी नंबर दिस, एंड देन this name of the state is this. If the address has several parts, then what you have to do, each part is given a separate line. ऐसा नहीं है हाउस नंबर 154 आवाज विकास कॉलोनी आपने यहीं लिख दिया. No. If the address has several parts, then please write each part in a separate line. For example, house number नियर नारायणा पब्लिक स्कूल गोंडा, मतलब हर पार्ट को आप अलग अलग लिखोगे. ऑल द पार्ट शुड बी रिटन इन सेपरेट लाइन्स. If the address consists several parts, then sender's name and address, and then next is your date. Next part of a letter is your date. So when you write date, again please be careful while writing date, because CBSE. और if we talk about literature subject, then literature अपने आप में यूनिक है, ब्यूटीफुल है, और वो अपनी ही मानता है, दूसरों की नहीं मानेगा. लिटरेचर अपने आप का में सुप्रीम होता है, प्राइम होता है, एंड इट विल एक्सेप्ट इट्स ओन रूल्स. अगर वहाँ देखिए ईच वर्ड हैज़ डिफरेंट मीनिंग, तो जो लिटरेचर जिस मीनिंग को वहाँ एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है वही वो एक्सेप्ट करेगा. आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि बॉल के कई मीनिंग होते हैं. BALL बॉल, बॉल मीन्स बॉल विच यू प्ले, एंड BALL बॉल मीन्स पार्टी भी होता है. तो अगर लिटरेचर वहाँ पार्टी मान रहा है तो आपको पार्टी बताना है, वो खेलने वाली बॉल वो नहीं एक्सेप्ट करेगा. Also when we talk about literature, then if we talk about date, then date, while writing the date, just note that date is written in figures. When you write a date, be careful. ऐसे आपके टीचर ने पहले भी बताया होगा, just a revision. Day is written in figures, month in words, and year in full figures. For example, अगर आप लिख रहे हो आज क्या है, today is 20th.
Yes, ma'am.
20th July. Can you see the board? 20th July.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
अगर आप डेट लिख रहे हो एंड यू आर राइटिंग 27 2020, एक हो गया. राइटिंग इज 20th July 2020, and third you are writing July 20, 2020. Third format. These are the three formats by which you can write your date. अब इसमें देखिए लिटरेचर्स, if we talk about mathematics, तो आपकी ये date 100% correct है. You can use this format, that is 20th July. This one is correct when you are talking about normal date or when we talk about mathematics. तो आप इस तरह, but literature will not accept this.